process. A part of what they do is maintenance on their arms to hold their molds. And what we're doing is cleaning this with the laser. Then they're going to do magnetic particle testing to check for micro fractures, part of their safety program.
After cleaning specific parts with the laser, the non-destructive testing company comes in, they spray the parts with a fluorescent chemical that has microparticles of metal in it. They light it up under a black light and then magnetize the piece to expose any deficiencies in the parts that need to be repaired. This is a standard practice in manufacturing to prevent any hazards in the workplace or from machinery breaking down. Some deficiencies were found and these parts are scheduled for repair.